how to change the fonts in your WPS Office document. And so for my example, I changed the fonts of this Richard Kabili vlog. Okay, to change this, you'll have to do is first is select the text you want to change. So for my example, I select the Richard Kabili vlog, and you can see the pop-up here. Okay, the fonts is set into Arial block. So you can change this by click the arrow down on the right side of this Arial block and select the fonts you want to use. But also you can change here on the upper menu. Here the text is set into Arial block. So to change this, okay, click the arrow down and select the fonts you want to use. So for my example, I set into Algerian. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully changed the fonts on WPS Office document. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.